Hey everyone, welcome to day 15 of 30-day challenge where we are recreating complex thumbnails. Today's thumbnail is from Declutter. So this is the image that we are trying to remake. Inside this image, there's this guy smiling, and behind it, there's a newspaper image, and above that newspaper, there is some layer of a rectangle maybe, which is red and black. And then these texts are there, and this big text is available. So for that, I have downloaded two images. Links are in the description. Let's get started. I'll create a frame and I'll just make the dimensions 1920 and 1080. Let me rename it to day 15 and I'll pull this newspaper inside the frame and I'll adjust it accordingly so that all the new stuff is visible. Now the newspaper is visible. Let's lock this layer and I'll add a rectangle above this and make it size of the frame, and I'll add a fill, but it won't be any fill, it will be a radial fill. So, and I'll just make this one black. I'll move this over here, not like that, and move it something like this. And I'll change its opacity to 85, or I'll change this red color's opacity to 80. Move it here. So now I want to place the newspaper accordingly. I'll just move this news over here, and I'll adjust this radial gradient accordingly. Now I think our image is ready, the background. Now let's move this guy inside. Let me center it and I'll adjust the smiling man like this, and let's remove its background using remove BG. After the background will be removed, we have just the text to handle. So the background is removed. I'll just increase or decrease the exposure a bit. No. Let me increase the contrast so this man looks highlighted. Saturation. Nope. The temperature, I'll lower it. Tint, nothing. Highlights are increased. Very little bit. Shadows, decrease. So now this looks good. Let's lock this guy. And now let's draw rectangles. One rectangle, let me copy it 6 times. And let's change their orientation, something like this. Randomly, I'm adjusting. Let's adjust this too. Okay, so the randomized rectangles are ready. Now let's just add text. First of all, I'll color these guys. Let me add a fill of this color by color picker. And now let's add text. Manipulator. The size should be 48. Food. Course. Misguiding. Depth. And the last one is wrap. So now these are all black. Let me just make them bold. I'll just group them. Also, I'll increase the sizes a little bit. The manipulator is okay, as well as all these should be increased to 64. And now this dot should become something like this. Let me group it, and I'll increase this one size. Enter and group, enter group, enter, reduce this one size, group, enter, width, group, enter. Okay, there were two of these text, group, and now let me rotate them. And rotate these two. Let's align them like this. And I think we are good to go with these. Let me just move this fold a little bit over here. And this is it. Now, for the larger text, I'll take the text tool again, and let's just write question mark and make the text 250. Let's place it here. I'll increase it to 280. And this is good. Now I'll just add the fill of gray, and the gradient should be like this. Let's add one more color. This light color should be in between, and the darker should be here. The light one should be more light. Okay, this is almost ready. Let's just make this as black. And the font is not Roboto. Let's try Anton. Okay, Anton will look good for this. So for Anton, we can increase the height to 350. And let me flatten it. And I'll decrease it like this. Our thumbnail is ready. Do let me know in the comment section, guys. Did you find it interesting or not? Please like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel Creator Sauce. And I'll meet you tomorrow with something new. Till then, take care. Bye bye.